everybody say you have to accept it and move on. It's difficult to accept.
Anusha Govan lost her husband due to COVID-19 complications in June last year, leaving behind 3 children. Her life changed in a heartbeat. She's had to resign from her job.
To be honest, I've never in my life imagined that I'd have to face my life alone. Yes, I have 3 kids, but I just recently turned 40, and we had plans like, okay, if you turn 40, we'll go to India, or we'll do this, or we'll do that. And I never thought or ever dreamt that I'd have to bury my husband one day. And unfortunately, it's happened. And I think I just have to now take one day at a time and move on from here.
Well, the health department says while the number of people who are dying due to COVID-19 has dropped significantly, and the Omicron variants currently in circulation are less lethal or aggressive than the previous variants, the number of deaths is likely much higher than what is being reported.
Deaths are without a diagnosis are often reported. So there are excess deaths, of which a proportion of those deaths are likely to be from COVID. It would be highly unlikely that they're not. So yes, the number of people around the world, not just in South Africa, who have died because of COVID with a positive COVID diagnosis is definitely higher than we are reporting in countries all over the world.
Vaccine hesitancy has also inflated the death toll. Well, the number of unvaccinated people who died from COVID-19 is said to be much higher than those who are vaccinated and died due to other complications which compromised their immune systems.
As we look forward into the coming months, we must anticipate there'll be a 5th wave. If we are very lucky, it will be mild. If we are not lucky, it's going to be yet another devastating attack on us.
Well, continent-wide, vaccine inequality has dealt Africa a blow.
Inequitable distribution of vaccines, access to vaccines has impacted in several ways. One of them, like you highlighted, avoidable deaths.
While more countries are softening restrictions, South Africa has just lifted the national state of disaster. Crisalda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.